Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Realtor.com to track comps for investment underwriting, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Realtor.com to track comps for investment underwriting, start by visiting the Realtor.com website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the home page. In the search bar, enter the location of the property you're interested in. Set the property type filters to suit your needs, such as residential or commercial. Adjust the price range according to your investment criteria. You can also select the number of bedrooms and bathrooms to refine your search further. After entering your criteria, click on the search button. Browse through the listed properties and select a few that closely resemble your investment target. Take note of the detailed information provided for each property. Look for the Comps or Nearby Sales tab on the property listing page. Click on this tab to access comparable sales for the selected property. Analyze the data provided to assess the market value and investment potential. Make sure to check the sale dates and prices of similar properties in the area. If applicable, sign up for alerts on new listings that match your criteria. You can do this by selecting the Save Search option available on the site. Customize your alert settings to receive updates via email or notifications. Monitor the app or platform regularly for fresh comps. Use the data collected to complete your investment underwriting process. Keep good records of the comps you analyze for future reference. This will streamline your investment decision-making in the long run. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.